Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Twitch account to your PlayStation 4 so you can live stream and stuff. So let's just go up the top, go to settings right here and go to account management. And then go to linked services and choose this option. And there should be an option for Twitch, YouTube, and I believe Spotify. So it says please wait. If you are downloading something, it might take a little time. Go to Twitch right here. And I don't think there's going to be anything on here for me. I might have to link this again. So it says link your Twitch account, and it looks like it's already linked, so I'm good to go to start streaming. Now hold down that share button right here, or if you just press it, and you have to have a game open, and then you should be able to start recording, or go to the recording settings under here. So very easy to do. So just open up the game. So let's go to like a pure pool or something like that, and then I should be able to just start streaming from here. So yeah, broadcast gameplay, and then you should be good to go broadcasting to Twitch. Just choose Twitch or YouTube. Let's go to Twitch, and then enter in your information and go to start broadcasting. Boom, you're ready to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.